What's going on, everyone? We are doing an early morning ride-along video. It is 4:25 on a Saturday morning. We're down here in the area of the airport. We're going to ride through the departures. Just did a drop-off here. We're going to take a ride up to Center City. As you would expect, it's very quiet here this morning, but there are a couple delayed flights that have come in. Earlier, I missed them by a couple minutes. There's another one coming at 4:45 a.m. That was scheduled to come in at 12 o'clock last night, or something like that. Yeah, 3 hours ago. 4 hours ago. It's very late. After that, it's the regular scheduled Saturday schedule. We got someone still waiting for their ride. So we are going to take a ride up I-95. Probably get off at Vine Street Expressway, Callowhill, around that area. And go wake the city up. See if anybody needs a ride. Surely there'll probably be someone that needs a ride down here to the airport. Usually is at that time. Alrighty, we are leaving the airport. You want to watch where you're going, Mr. National? Alamo? Sheesh, just cut me right out while you're at it. Pretty sure I had the right of way there. Am I wrong? Do they get the right of way at the airport? Enterprise Rent-A-Car? Alamo? So let's go play with the clowns on 95. Because I saw when I was coming down here with my rider, they are out. Alright, here we go. I-95 we go. And they still never fixed that bump from the last video we've done through here. Big old hole back there. That's beyond pothole. That's a sinkhole. For the amount of people that come through this airport every day, you think they would fix it. Nope, we got junk and debris on the side of the road. Anybody lose their tire? What's the deal with this guy? Either he's lost or he broke down, or maybe he just needs to pull over and take a nap. Rain from earlier at least slowed down. That's a good thing. It rained pretty hard earlier. And Columbus Boulevard earlier in the night was flooded out. Around 9 p.m. Columbus Boulevard had major flooding from the tidal flooding of the Delaware River. We shouldn't hit that right now because we're still in low tide. So we have to go near Columbus Boulevard at any point in this next few hours. Should be fine. But I think high tide again is around 8 a.m. Could be wrong. Comes your Amazon Prime deliveries. Seeing a lot more Amazon Prime trucks out. And I imagine that's going to increase even more as we get closer to the holidays. Now see, look at this one. We're doing 65, wet roadways, and what are they doing? 80 something. Unnecessary. And here come a whole bunch more. Dang nabbit. See that flight landing? I bet that's the 4:45 one. Oh well. Either that or it's a cargo flight. Guess we could have waited at the airport. Point Bridge now. Lower level. Northbound's always lower level. Upper level, southbound. Disabled or broken down on the left, I'm sure. Hope everything's okay with that person. Coming up on Broad Street, exit 17. Still got about 5 or 6 miles to go. Then we get to wake the city up. Or see who is awake. Here comes another one. We are doing 63 right now, and this guy is absolutely flying. Oh, he slowed down. Pickup truck. Absolutely no reason to be flying on these roadways. When they're wet, there's still a little bit of mist falling. It's ridiculous. Yeah, you just fly right past us with your Ford pickup truck. Oh, now we're going to pass on the right. Let's just fly past on the right. That's smart. Meanwhile, that pickup truck's probably going to go on the Waltwood Bridge because he has Jersey plates. Yep. So he's all the way on the far left. He's going to go on the bridge. Unbelievable. There he goes, right on the bridge as expected. There you go. Check out all the cars on the left going southbound. You know where they're headed. Airport. Or a good number. Look at this one. Not sure if you can catch that. There's one over there with no headlight on. No headlights. Wow. What a dum-dum. He should not be allowed to drive. past Columbus Boulevard back there. As previously stated, we are not getting off there because, could still be flooded down there. Don't know. I'm going to try and avoid Columbus Boulevard this morning. But of course, if we end up near there and we do see flooding, we won't drive through it, but we will get some video for you guys. That's nice. Megabus, wait till the last minute to get in the lane for getting off. Yeah, real intelligent. Get a little noisy here for a minute. Get around a little bit. Alrighty, we will be getting off at Callowhill Street, so we gotta get in the right lane. And we will be ending this video on Callowhill Street. Alrighty, we just did a ride along from the airport up to Callowhill Street in here in downtown Philadelphia, Center City. We saw a few things, didn't we? Who knows? Maybe there'll be some more videos recorded this morning. If you want to stay on top of all the videos that we do, this and anything else that we do. Okay, this guy's passing us on the... not even in a lane. As I was saying, if you want to follow all the videos that we do and anything else we do, hit the like and subscribe button down below. And I will see you next time. Perhaps later in this day.